Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this TallBoy that we're gonna redo. So follow along, hit that subscribe button, and let's see what we can do with this piece today. Alright, overall good condition, so we're gonna remove the hardware, these handles. We're going to pull the drawers out, check the subframe, make sure everything's good there also. We'll sand this piece down, we're going to paint it, light scuff on it, give it a vintage feel, wax it, put the hardware back on, and this piece should turn out pretty cool compared to what it is now, a little worn out. So let's get started, we'll do a quick run by of it, and then we'll start removing the hardware. Alright, the subframe is good, all the tracks are tight, so we can start sanding. All the straight areas, we use the DeWalt sander with the 80 grit sandpaper. We'll do the fronts of the drawers, anything that has a little curve to it, such as this area, we'll hand sand around the edges of the drawers, and then we'll get it all vacuumed out, cleaned up, and then we'll start painting. So, let's get started. Alright, we got everything sanded down, wiped off, vacuumed out, and now we can start painting. Today, we're going to use our Behr Premium Prime and Paint. Color is very navy, very popular color. Wooster brush, 2-inch angle brush, still love it. So we're going to go at it. Two rounds of paint on the drawers, the frame, the handles, and then we'll come back after all that. It's dry, we'll scuff it up. So let's get started. Alright, we've painted it, we've let it dry, and now what we're going to do is scuff it all up. Now I got that old 80 grit sandpaper that we used for the piece to start with. We're just going to go around, go with the same pattern as our paint and as the grain pattern. Do as much, little as you want. In fact, even you could skip this step if you want that solid look. So we're going to add a little character to it. So let's get started. Paste, it's just a wipe on, wipe off. It's nice and hot out. We've wiped this all down. Do all the drawers, frame, put the hardware on. So the next time you see this piece, it's gonna be done. Alright, here it is completed. Quite the transformation. Navy blue paint. It's called Very Navy. We scuffed it up, waxed it, And well, the transformation is complete. I can't wait to see this in somebody's house. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep trying to do some pretty cool projects for you.